So irrigation aspiration is as important as a step like a successful phacoemulsification. We all used to do coaxial IA. I don't know how many of you really know what is coaxial IA because that's what was his first invention. Then came the invention of the bimanual IA. So you have one port for irrigation and one port for aspiration. This video is about a coaxial IA where the tip is 45-degree turned. Now you can have a straight coaxial IA, you can have a 90-degree coaxial IA or a 45-degree coaxial IA. Just an advice, my friends, use a 45-degree if you ever need to, because it doesn't get clogged when you need to clean the IA cannula. This video is a solid coaxial IA. There is no sleeve. Normally they have a silicone sleeve which can be removed with a 45-degree. A simple different technique of a successful irrigation aspiration, which is also an essential step of phacoemulsification. Some of you might not have ever seen this. This is a coaxial IA, a solid stainless steel tip, straight. Normally we use a 45-degree coaxial IA, but just a different technique where we can do irrigation aspiration quite successfully. It's not a bimanual technique, as you can see, it's a coaxial, and I'm using the main incision. So we just need to turn around the aspirating port around, and then once we get the grip on the cortical fibres, then again make sure that the aspirating port is looking upwards towards the surgeon, and then increase the vacuum by pressing the foot pedal. So just a technique of straight stainless steel coaxial IA, which also successfully works quite well in doing irrigation aspiration and removing the sub-incisional cortex at the same time. So a little tricky when it comes to the sub-incisional cortex, but it's quite possible to successfully use this. So today's world, we have the coaxial IA straight tip or a 45-degree or a 90-degree angle. We also have a bimanual technique of irrigation aspiration. This is just a different technique of showing the straight tip of coaxial IA. This is a solid stainless steel tip. You may even get a sleeve tip available. So here we have successfully completed irrigation aspiration, removed all the cortical material from the eye.